All right, time for another garage wintertime project. And I wanted to build a teardrop camper. Well, I'm going to. It will be the 8th one I've built. I ordered a trailer from Northern Tool over 2 months ago, and I got notice again that it won't be here until January 2023. So looking for some other project that will be another foam and fabric kayak. The last ones that I made seemed to be a real big hit. People enjoyed building them, watching along. A couple of guys even, made a kayak modeled after mine and gave me credit. I appreciate it. So let's get started with this. I got 2 sheets of 2-inch foam. Got 4 yards of burlap. I'll do it all in burlap in this color here. And then I bought, the one thing I regretted on the last kayaks is putting wood in them. Because unless you're going to fiberglass it with a super thick fiberglass, and the wood's going to get wet. So, but those kayaks are still being used and in good shape. None of them have showed any swelling yet, according to the people that bought them from me. I sell them for what it cost me to build them, just because I can't keep all the cool, good things. All right, so back to the wood thing. I'm going to use these really thin cutting boards for all my mounting points. So once I glue these in, recess them and glue a piece in, there won't be anything on this kayak that can rot or swell up. So I got a 3-piece cutting board from Walmart. Went over to the fabric section and bought me 4 yards of lightweight burlap. You can just about see through it. And then 2 gallons of Tight Bond original wood glue. And then 5 tubes of heavy duty liquid nails. Now I had to pay for all this. These people, these brands didn't give me anything, not paying me anything to use their product. It's just products I'm comfortable with. I've used Tight Bond forever. I use liquid nails on all my projects where I need them. Working on a house, remodeling, or whatever it may be. So this is a starting point, and I'll upload as I go. I may do some time lapse, I may not. We'll see how that goes. And then haven't decided on a length yet. I'm thinking around 10 feet. Make it easy to portage. Maybe 34 inches wide. We'll see. All right, I'll see y'all on the next video, and thanks for watching. As always, thumbs up and subscribe. Oh, this is so Carhartt won't sue me saying I'm using their logo to further my videos. I'm not, but this shows I made the effort. See you later.